Welcome back, everybody, to Everyday Organics. Today we've been busy working on getting the next 3 reservoirs plumbed up. We've been doing some tests, got some leveling to do, but I wanted to show y'all some of the progress here so far, so let's take a quick look. So as you can see, we've been working on getting the bell siphons together. Still got to finish sealing those so that they function properly. Got our drain lines for this tank, for these 3 reservoirs. And the next 3 in this corner, got all our plumbing, adequate fall, got our pump, got some algae issues, so we're going to end up draining these before we restart, use it to water the yard. But we do have some leveling issues that we've got to take into account because our 3 tanks are not filling at the same rate. So essentially one tank is hitting that siphon prior to it reaching the top of the other 2, which is causing a issue for us. We've also been adding some plants to our original test reservoir. As you can see, we've got plenty in there now, getting stuff growing. Got a visitor today, but you can see we've got some new pups popping up, so our levels are correct. There's a new guy started. So we've been busy around here, as you can tell by all the junk around, but we are making some progress. So if this is your first time checking us out, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Leave us some comments, some likes, let us know what you guys want to see. We're just following along with everybody else going through this process, so we'll see y'all soon.